We're currently looking at the hourly Euro USD chart, and we can spot here a strong bearish confirmation signal. This box right here is an order block using the daily time frame. As we can see here, the price action got rejected off the order block, and we got not only an internal change of character but also a swing change of character label printed. So I'm going to enter a short trade. I'll use the smart trail for my stop loss, and for my take profit I'd like to hit this order block sitting below the price action, but I am going to use 2 take profit targets, and for exiting my positions I am using the exit signals. So let's see how this trade is going to work out. Okay, so here we can spot the first exit signal, so I am going to close half of my position at this point and adjusting my stop loss to break even, and now I am simply waiting for the exit signal to appear so I can close the rest of my position. And there we go. That was a nice winning trade with a 1.4 risk-reward ratio. In order to add the first indicator, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has almost 25k likes, which tells us that it's quite legit, so click that to your chart. Now, let's open the settings of the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays indicator and adjust its settings. First, let's take a look at the basic settings for the presets and filters. For the signal mode, you want to use confirmation and exits, and you do not want to use the AI signal classifier, so make sure this option is disabled. For the signal sensitivity, I'd recommend using the autopilot sensitivity set to mid-term. Next, for the candle coloring, we are going to use confirmation simple. For this strategy, you'll need the smart trail overlay, so make sure to enable this option. You can leave the value for the reactivity as it is. By default, it's set to 3. Now you want to scroll down a little bit, and within the advanced settings, you want to set the autopilot sensitivity to midterm, and we are good to go. Now you want to add a second indicator to the chart. Let's click the Indicators tab again and search for LuxAlgo Price Action Concepts, and add this one to your chart. Now let's double-click it to access its settings. Set both market structure options to all. Enable the volumetric order blocks and set the time frame higher than the time frame you're currently on. So like in this case, we're on the 1-hour chart, so we want to set this to the daily time frame. Now on to the fun stuff. Let's delve into the trading rules to understand how to use this strategy profitably. We're currently looking at the GBP USD on a 15 minutes time frame. For trading the 15 minutes, I usually set the time frame for the order blocks to 4 hours. Let's first start with the rules to enter a buy trade. For a buy entry to be valid, there must be 4 conditions met. First, you need to identify an order block where the price action bounced off of it and closed outside of it. Second, you need to see a bullish confirmation signal. Third, to confirm the buy trade, you want the market structure to confirm your entry by printing 2 uninterrupted market structure labels. So in this case, a change of character and a break of structure label. Now at this point, all conditions for a buy trade are met, so we're entering a buy trade. Now for setting the stop loss, you can either use the smart trail, the order block, or the recent lowest price. I'll go with the recent lowest price for this trade. For taking profit, we'll again use the blue exit signals, so let's wait for the first exit signal to appear. There we go. Our first exit signal got printed, so we want to close half of our position at this candlestick and then set our stop loss to break even. And now we want to let the rest of the position run until the second exit signal appears. And there we go. Another winning trade with a 2.3 risk-reward ratio. If you're loving the insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you won't miss what's coming up next. Alright, now let's see a sell trade example using the Bitcoin on a 3 minutes time frame. Here we can see the price action getting rejected off this order block. For the order blocks, I am usually using the 15 or 30 minutes depending on the asset and current volatility. So you can spot here a strong bearish sell signal and a change of character label. What that means is we still need to wait for one more confirmation before we can enter a sell trade. So let's wait for a second market structure label to appear. Now a second market structure label appeared, so we want to enter a sell trade and use again the smart trail for setting the stop loss. Now we want to wait for the first exit signal to appear, and there we go. We're going to close half of our position and this candlestick, and we want to set our stop loss to break even. And now we want to let the rest of our position run until a second exit signal appears. And unfortunately, we got stopped out break even. Now let me show you one more buy trade example looking at the 4 hours Nvidia chart using the daily order blocks. We can spot here 2 uninterrupted bullish market structure signals and a strong bullish confirmation signal. So we're going to open a buy trade here and using the same method for taking profits. We're going to close half of our position at the first exit signal. Then we set the stop loss to break even and let the rest of our position run until the second exit signal appears. To wrap up today's video, you've learned a trading strategy that's both simple and effective. Whether you're new to trading or looking for new tactics, this strategy offers a solid foundation. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, check out one of these videos.